Namaste. My name is Rui Simra. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak about apply castor oil on your abdomen before sleep and miracles will happen. And I could not believe that this works. This here the raw castor oil from Thailand. Okay. I had already tried putting castor oil on my navel and it was good. But then I discovered something far more powerful. Applying castor oil on the entire abdomen, the area between your chest and pelvis, where there are no ribs or bones. Okay? That changed everything. That is by the abdomen. During the night, your body enters its natural redemption cycle, a time of deep cleaning, repair, and rejuvenation. Castor oil applied to the abdomen amplifies this process in ways that surprised even me. What it does for your gut. Castor oil mobilizes your colon and gut through peristaltic valves, a natural contraction that moves waste through your system. In normal case, we took castor oil if we could not go to the toilet and got out the poop. And actually, it goes through the blood directly on the gut. And for sure, the peristaltic valve is normal when you take it, but you apply it on your skin. And then it works very slowly and best. It breaks down the fermented biofilm coating on the intestinal walls. That sticky film. It gets dissolved and eliminated. And with this, you change everything. And in the morning, you see the difference. My personal experience, 14 days. I've been doing this for 14 days and the results are astonishing. The first few days, when I went to the toilet in the morning, it looked much worse at first. Really. No? Lots of gas, instead to get lesser gas. Soft poop shattered in small pieces, no? Just like an explosion. But I let it work. After 3 days or so, my stomach started flattening. Digestion improved visible. After 14 days, my poop became perfect, a clear sign of a healthy gut. Additional benefits beyond the gut, okay? This simple nightly practice delivers a cascade of benefits. Benefit how it works. It flatters stomach. It reduces bloating and gut inflammation. This means the bloating is getting first worse. No? Lymphatic flush, 60% more lymphocytes. And this means immune boost. Your immune system it works much better. Deep sleep calms the nervous system. I sleep also much longer now. Before I could not sleep long. No? Reduced inflammation. Systemic anti-inflammatory effects. Castor oil is for this well now. Natural Botox, improved skin elasticity and tone. For the people, for the women who got pregnant, this makes your belly more beautiful. Clearer mind. A clean colon is also clean mind, and that I really see. No? I recognize. No? It is absolute so. No? Why this works? Your gut is called your second brain for a reason. When your colon is clean, toxins are eliminated And with these toxins eliminated, inflammation drops, sleep improves, skin glows. Because the toxins are going on the skin later and so on, and then you have some more skin problems. Mental clarity sharpens. Absolute. Castor oil applied externally to the abdomen supports this internal cleansing process gently, naturally, and effectively. How to do it? Take a small amount of high quality cold pressed castor oil, apply generously to your entire abdomen from below the chest to above the pelvis. Massage gently in clockwise circles for 2 or 3 minutes, because our guts is working also clockwise. Cover with an oil cloth or wear an oil t-shirt. So I don't do such thing because I sleep on the side, so I have no problem. Sleep through the night and let your body do its work. Morning after, when you wake up, notice your toilet routine. It will improve over time. Observe your stomach, flatter and less bloated. Feel your energy clearer and lighter. Final thoughts. A clean colon is a clean mind. This ancient remedy is one of the simplest, most effective things you can do for your gut, your sleep, your skin, and your overall well-being. Try it for at least 14 days. So longer, the better. The results will speak for themselves. Honestly, I've done it first without reading what it should do for your body. And then afterward, after 14 days, I checked it. Yes. Okay, thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.